In the last video, we had learned about weight. Now we will learn about volume and capacity. Students, see these are some vessels full of water. Now observe them and tell which ones can hold more water and which one less. Yes, you are right. The bucket will hold the most water and the bowl the least. Now see one more example. Here you can see two pictures. In the first picture, a boy is filling a bucket. This bucket became full when he poured 40 glasses of water. And in the second picture, a girl is filling a bucket. And this bucket became full with 10 mugs of water. The same amount of water measures different because different means were used to measure it. No matter who fills water in the bucket, but it should be measured the same. And for that, we must use a standard measure. The liter is a standard unit for measuring liquid. See this picture. This is a measure of 1 liter. The milkman used this to measure a milk. It is also used by shopkeeper to measure oil. See the second picture. It is used to measure kerosene. Take various vessels such as a pitcher, a box, a pan, etc. and make an estimate of how much water they can hold. 1 liter, less than 1 liter or more than 1 liter. Verify your guess by actually using a 1 liter bottle. Pour 3 liters of water into each of the above containers. The water will take a different shape in each container because each container is of different shape. But the volume of water in each container is 3 liters. 5 1-liter bottles of water were poured into this bucket. The volume of the water in the bucket is 5 liters. Now children, let us find out how much more water can be added to fill this bucket completely. Well, the bucket can hold 12 liters of water. The bucket already has 5 liters of water. More water can be added to fill this bucket completely. That would be 12 liter minus 5 liter, which is 7 liters. So, 7 liters of more water can be added to fill this bucket completely. This bucket can hold 12 liters of water. You know what it means? That the capacity of this bucket is 12 liters. The amount of water that is needed to fill any container, such as pot, a bucket, a drum, or a pan, is called the capacity of the container. Take a bottle with a quarter liter capacity. Using this as a measure, mark the following measures on a container. First, let us find out the bottle with the capacity of quarter liter. Let's fill water in it. Alright, now, first we need to take 2 liters of water in a container. Well, how many times you will pour quarter liter water in order to make 2 liters? If you pour 4 times quarter liter of water, it makes 1 liter. So for 2 liter, we need to pour water 8 times with a bottle having quarter liter capacity. Here we have 2 liters of water in the container. Let us mark this measure on container. Next is half liter. How many times we will pour water from a quarter liter bottle to make a half liter? That is correct. 2 times. It will make half a liter of water. So let us take a container and pour the water twice from a quarter liter bottle like this. Now let us mark on the container and write half a liter. Our third measure is 1.5 liter. As I told you earlier, for 1 liter, 4 quarter liter will make 1 liter, and 2 times quarter liter of water makes half a liter, which means in order to get 1.5 liter of water, we will pour the water 6 times from the quarter liter bottle in the container. Now let us mark it. Now the last one. The last measure is a quarter liter, and it is the simplest because we already have quarter liter capacity bottle. So we will fill the bottle one time and pour it in the container. Now mark the container. Thank you.